Greetings and welcome to video number 34. I know it's been a while, but we finally have another video and a new car model. I've been very excited to get this one, and I finally found it at my local Walmart. Let's get straight into the unboxing. Yet another Pink Slips edition. I'm really happy with the Pink Slips series. They've given me quite a few amazing new car models, and I'm interested in getting the Ford GT, but they continue to keep providing new cars, and this amazing Lamborghini Veneno already does not disappoint me. Now, if you don't know what this car is, it's basically the car that Lamborghini made to celebrate their 50th edition. If I got that wrong, I sincerely apologize. But this thing is incredibly rare. I hear many people in the automotive community refer to it as a unicorn of a car. And no surprise, there are very few, if I remember the numbers right, there's only 9 roadsters, I remember that, and I think there's only 11 coupes. Again, I apologize if I'm wrong. Right away, we got this door default. It isn't closing all the way. That is a bummer. Thankfully, the other door does. Anyway, I'll fast forward through the screw segments so you don't have to be bored. There's one. And there's the other. We have yet another cool stand. It's held into the cardboard by a cardboard, but I'm gonna get that after the video so I don't continue to bore you. But okay, so right off the bat, this paint job is stunning. In the front, as you can see, we have this beautiful lime bright green in gloss, but then in the back it fades into a really nice matte black paint job with this really nice lime green livery all over, and it looks absolutely stunning. I gotta say, I love the shape of this thing. It's so aggressive and unique. This cool quad exhaust is awesome. This unique rear diffuser, the tail lights, classic Lamborghini. There's your gas cap. I really like this air intake design is really unique too. It kind of flows from the door all the way over to the back with this Italian stripe too. The rims are quite unique. They have this cool outer turbine look. The brake calipers and discs are just one big plastic mold, and neither of them spin. But the brake caliper is, if you can see, painted the same lime green. Up front, we have the scariest, most aggressive look. Headlights, angry as Lamborghinis can be. Along with the rest of the hood, these fenders wrap around the hood. You got big air intakes all over. It's just everything. Fins, awesomeness. The mirrors are also reflective, as you can see there. There is also a reflective mirror in the cab. And let's start with the cab. A huge relief. The doors are like actual Lambo doors, like the Veneno. They don't go all the way up. They need to go like up a little more, but this is actually really good. I'm really happy with that. On the inside, it's pretty difficult to see, but we do have the Lamborghini Veneno interior. There you can see a little better. Looks like we have some carbon fiber textured plastic in there. The entire interior is just matte black, no stickers or anything. This whole thing is based off of the Aventador, so the interior kind of where to me the design falls apart. It just looks like an Aventador on the inside, save the seats and center console design a little bit, and the doors. The doors are a little bit uniquely designed, excluding the outside. And we do have an engine. This whole thing comes up, which is pretty cool. Okay, that comes up a good amount. And we have a proper V12 in there. And I gotta say, to be honest, without the spoiler, it kind of looks pretty cool. I kind of like the back without a spoiler. 12 is quite nicely detailed. I do like it. It's all black except for a few silvery parts, but the detail is all there. And it makes for quite a stunning display model. I don't think there is a frunk, sadly, which is fine. The real car doesn't really have much of a frunk to even put stuff in or talk about, so that's probably for the best. The $22 Pink Slips Edition Lamborghini Veneno is an excellent car, good build quality, and if you want to get one, don't worry, this door defect is just on my car. I'm pretty certain of that. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you made it this far, make sure you like and subscribe, turn on notifications if people do that even still. And leave a comment. Let me know what you thought about this car and what you would like to see in the future. And with that, I shall return.